Both of those are out so we can get to the spaces. So our JB4 is going to go up here underneath this space here, and we're going to be running the ODBC cable through the other side, so you have to have these covers off first to be able to do this work. Now normally I would also caution to be really, really careful. This is your positive battery post right here, and in the instructions from Berger, they talk about taping this off. You can definitely do that, and I'm probably going to do that just to follow their directions. I'm going to tape off the contact. The other thing to keep in mind is that we have pulled the ground post on the battery, so it shouldn't be that much of an issue. But again, it's better to be safe than sorry in all of these things. So now that those covers are off, I'm going to tape that post off, and we're going to start to lay out the JB4 cabling, and I'll show how that works. Okay, so what we're actually going to do, we're going to take an extra step in this case. So I've started to lay the JB4 out where all the connectors will go. One of the things we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get to a connector underneath this intake right here. I think it would be possible to kind of wiggle and worm your way to get this intake out without taking your carbon strut off. I think it's possible, but I don't really see a reason to go through that amount of trouble when all you have to do is pull 8 different bolts and this strut just comes straight out. It doesn't affect alignment at all. It doesn't affect anything that way. So it's an easy takeout. They're 13 millimeter bolts. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you pull each one of those, and then this piece will lift and will just slide out. It'll slide out underneath your weather protector on either side, and it'll slide straight out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull out this carbon strut and have this out of place so we can actually get this left intake out, because we have to get to the sensor that's underneath it. So for me, it seems like a very logical thing to do. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through getting all of this taken out, then I'll show you the next steps as we lay the JB4 out.